Okay. First of all, I would like to welcome each and every student for this interactive session. I would like to say today the topic which I have selected for you is that is the power of idea, innovation, and the value of all voices. Dear students, before moving ahead, let me show you a small video. But before that, I would like to request each one of you to please mute yourself. So I'm just going to play this video for all of you. Just look at this video. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Hope it is visible to all.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Just hold on. Just hold on. I think the full screen is not visible to all of you. Is it? Yeah, Dr. Anurag, is it visible to all?
Yes, sir, it is visible to everyone.
Okay.
I hear you talking all right. I hear you talking Oh, I've been thinking about my life. What's been wrong and what's been right? Some said that, some said this, some said no, some said this.
I'm sure you have enjoyed this video. Now, see, my dear students, like in this video, it's a video prepared by the Google. So basically, in this video, it shows that initially when we got an idea, then sometimes we ignore it. Sometimes we are not able to get its value, its actual value of that idea. And later on, when some friends hand over that idea to you, when you are discussing that idea with your friends, then you're able to realize that okay, this is the idea which I can go with. Later on, you play with that. Later on, you put efforts onto that. So many hurdles in terms of rain you have seen it came. So many hurdles it came, and lastly, with that idea, is going to achieve a big universe. So with this theme, today I'm going to start this session, and I'm sure all of you have gone through this advertisement of idea, wherein that an idea can change your life. But really, is it? The only one sentence I would like to add over here: an idea can change your life only if you are taking action onto it. Otherwise, idea won't do anything. You must have observed that during daytime, when we are sitting alone, when we are sitting with the friends, when we are discussing with our faculty members, when we are when we are sitting onto the dining table with our parents, then lots of ideas are bubbling in our mind. But actually, what we are going to do with that idea? We are thinking sometimes, okay, this is the idea, I can develop it as a software. I'll 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 be having my own company. So many employees will be there in that company. That much revenue will be there. Or some of you might be thinking that okay, I would like to be a good actor. Then I'll be working into the various movies. See, very different type of idea might be coming in your mind, but ultimately 99% of the ideas are dying down because we are not taking action onto it. The ideas which were coming into your mind a day before or a day before yesterday, probably today they will not come to your mind. But all these ideas is like a story of Sheikh Chili. I'm sure you must have heard the story of Sheikh Chili, that initially he got like he purchased a goat, from one goat to many goat, then dairy farms, then marries to a queen. I mean, there's so many ideas he were thinking of, and suddenly he was not able to realize that idea. When he was not able to materialize that idea, they all dies down, and everything goes into the dustbin. In the similar way, so many ideas are coming into our mind. Every one of you are genius. Everyone. But some of us are able to put our ideas into action. Some we are not able to. Just go through this picture. 15 years ago, if I'm talking about 50 to 20 years back ago, when we people were sitting onto the computers, and when we received a single mail, then we feel with joy. Okay, I got a mail. And at that time, we were having plenty of letters. And today is the reverse scenario. When we were checking our mailboxes, more than 200 mails every time we can see being a person, but rarely we are getting a letter. So this is how the technology is changing. But this technology changed doesn't happen at, I mean to say, it's simultaneously, automatically doesn't happen. Someone is thinking about, every point of time someone is thinking about how to solve the problems. Like initially when Yahoo Mail, Gmail, they must have developed it by thinking that what is the shortest way of sending the message. When they try to solve that problem, they came out with a solution with your emails. So this is what whole idea is about. Just a famous quote I would like to share with all of you. The vitality of the thought is in the adventure. Idea won't keep. Something must be done about them. The ideas are like tree. They never stand alone. Like when we are thinking of an idea, then so many things along with that are associated with that idea. Today, suppose you are thinking of having your own company which is artificial intelligence based product. At that point of time, the other related things are, you might be thinking that how I am going to run my algorithm, artificial intelligence algorithm. You might be thinking that where I am going to store my data, how can I make my processing speed high. So what does it mean? It means that idea is like a tree. It never stands alone. They gain a life of their own. They produce a shadow. Yet, what is the nature of that shadow? If initially, when we are cutting down that tree, that means there will be no shadow. In the similar way, if with every slide, the whole motive of going through each and every slide is that every point of time we have to materialize that our idea, we have to take certain actions onto our idea, right? Now look at this, some of the examples I'm quoting over here. In MobiCash, in MobiCash, it is a startup founded by Mr. Naveen Tiwari in 2006 only, but it is pivoted to become a mobile advertisement content discovery platform at a later stage. Look at the Swiggy. It was started in its operation in Bangalore, that is in Kumar Mangala neighborhood, in 2014 only. Ola, it was invented because when Mr. Bhavish Agarwal was traveling from Bangalore to Bandipur, when the driver of his car abandoned him en route his destination over a failed negotiation of the deal. His experience of being stranded in the middle of nowhere drove Mr. Bhavish Agarwal to launch cab aggregation startup Ola. That means when Mr. Bhavish was facing that problem at that point of time, he got an idea. Similarly, the Flipkart was founded by the two brothers Sachin and Binny with a sum of simply 4 lakh rupees. Paytm, while Paytm began a digital wallet, and now look at this Paytm, it is into like retailing as well, it is into the banking sector as well. So all these startup, they are because of they have taken action onto their ideas. Now, in the similar way, starting from like invention of the wheel or invention of the fire, and now when we are talking about Sophia, when we are talking about Asimo, and some group of subject matter expert and faculty member, nowadays we are also working on to the artificial intelligence based robo. So basically all these things are evolving because we are facing the problem. My dear students, while traveling onto a busy road, you must have also faced certain kind of problems. Like you may face heavy traffic, you may face failure of your vehicle engine, you may face the navigation problem. So look at all these problems. Somebody is working onto the solution of that. I'm sure every one of you have used the Google Map. How this Google Map invented? How it comes out into the picture? Because somebody have faced the problem. Think about 20 to 25 years back when we were going to a new city and we were asking the other persons, okay, I need to go there. Where is this place? If I'm new to that city. Sometimes when people were naughty, they sometimes tell us the wrong address. Sometimes it take a lot of time. And then this Google Map came into the picture. Now, how easy it is to go from one place to other without asking somebody. So, every invention, when we are talking about, it is because of somebody is facing the problem and somebody is thinking about its solution. So, it is a long and tedious, difficult task of assembling all the pertinent information, analyzing the problem, and searching for some verbal or visual concept of how to communicate what need to be said. So now here I'm going to discuss three major techniques of idea generation. The root technique which I'm talking about is the problem solving skill. Whether we were talking about Ola cab invention or when we were talking about the Google Map or when we were talking about so many other inventions, they came out because somebody was facing the problem and they were thinking of getting the solution of it. But simply facing the problem and thinking about solution doesn't gonna to help us. For that, one has to be a very critical and creative thinking mind and have courage, have point for the brainstorming discussions. I'm sorry. So the first technique which I'm talking about is the problem solving skill. So it is essential to comprehend the nature of the problem in order to select suitable techniques to resolve them. Think of a mathematical problem. Suppose I'm taking in a very simple example in 10th class. Suppose somebody is asking you to find out that what is the angle between minute end and hour end at 5:30. So how to solve it? Then you have a particular method to solve it. That how many degree your hour end is traveling, how many degree your minute hand is traveling, and while hand is traveling, how many degree your hour hand is traveling. So there are some suitable techniques to solve a problem. Take other problems. Say you would like to develop a program to find out, say, the first 100 prime number through the programming, or you would like, if somebody is asking you to find out the second largest prime number from, say, counting of 1 to 1000. In that case, again, you should be able to apply suitable technique. First of all, you should know how to find out a prime number. You should be knowing that how to create a loop. You should be knowing how to prepare the syntax of the whole program. So, in order to solve a suitable problem, we need to select the suitable techniques to solve them. Again, simultaneously, to solve an issue, we need to have analytical and creative skill. Then somebody was asking when I was delivering this session into a university, then some of the students have questioned me that, sir, how to increase analytical and creative skills? Very simple thing, very simple answer here I would like to give my dear student. In order to increase the analytical and creative skills, only you should be able to ask certain questions like how, why, when, what. These are few question marks. When you will be thinking about these question marks, definitely you will be having the analytical skills. Suppose now we are say I'm designing a solution for a problem. Suppose you are designing a robot, and that robot, you would like that robot should recognize your image and say hello to you. For that, my first question is how? What are the techniques I'll be using into it? What are the resources I'll be required for this? What are the particular study I have to do for this particular problem to be solved? So when you have a problem and when you are thinking to find out the solution of it, I'm sure you'll be able to find it out. I'm sure if somebody have you gone through the movie, two movie particularly I would like to quote over here. The one is that movie. It is the movie of Three Idiot, right? So there is a character, Mr. Fungsung Wagdu. Look at the last few scenes of that picture. When with the help of cycling, somebody is removing the wool from the sheep. Somebody's with the help of bicycle, they were washing the clothes. And same one other movie I would like to quote over here, the Padman. In that movie, the actor Mr. Akshay Kumar, he thought of a problem. He thought of a woman problem, and then he tried to find out the solution of it. He was not a, I'm going to say, he was not BTech, BCA, or MCA. He was just a simple 10th class as per the movie. But still, he was able to solve that problem, right? So, in critical thinking, so emphasize the skill of analysis, follow a logical argument, and eliminate the correct paths and focus onto the correct one, right? Then coming to the creative thinking. So for creative thinking, one of the important aspect I would like to tell each one of you that look at this yellow reason first. In order to acquire this creative thinking, one has to be curious. Hmm? आपको इच्छा होनी चाहिए किसी काम को करने की, जानने की, why it is happening. If you are not curious, then probably you may not be able to convert that idea into a startup. The second most important property which I'm talking about is that you should seek problem. Find out problems. Enjoy the challenge. Be optimistic and able to suspend judgment. Now, why this property is required? Able to suspend judgment. Sometimes when you were sitting onto a table, then some of your friend may be prejudiced. आपने देखा होगा बच्चे कि हम बहुत सारे आइडियाज आपके माइंड में आते हैं व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इट विद योर फ्रेंड, तो आपके फ्रेंड इमीडिएटली कोई आंसर दे देते हैं आपको, या आपका फैकल्टी मेंबर को इमीडिएटली आपको आंसर दे देता है. एंड समटाइम्स वी आर गेट कन्विंस्ड, हम कन्विंस हो जाते हैं कि दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन. एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम you should have a courage to suspend that judgment. Either you get understand that, I mean to say, या तो आपको पूरी तरह से logically you go to know okay this happens. If you are not able to understand it logically, then you should be able to suspend that judgment. You have to be imaginative. You have to see problem as an opportunities. And last but not the least, and one of the most important thing in creative thinking is that should not give up easily. You should not give up easily. When we were starting solving any problem, then lots and lots of hurdles you face. I'm telling you just a recent example. When Dr. Shubhra and me and some of other faculty member, we are working on a robot project. In that, some of our faculty member from some other university, they were facing the problem in integration of the speech processing and the image recognition. And from the past 1 month, they have been trying to solve it, but they were not able to solve it. But we were stick to our system that we have to solve it. We have to solve this problem. And ultimately, in the today morning only, we are able to solve that problem. Now, the first phase of the robo is about to complete. Then, the next important technique is the brainstorming. As I have already told you that this is the process of thinking through a specific topic to generate several ideas. Or in general terms, the brainstorming is of three types. One is koinonia, second one is starbursting, third one is the round robin. Basically, these are the three type of brainstorming techniques. These brainstorming techniques are like, in koinonia, what we are doing, we are just throwing our discussion into a group. आपको कोई आइडिया आया और इमीडिएटली उस आइडिया को आपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ डिस्कशन में डाल दिया. क्या होगा? द फर्स्ट मेथड, आपने सबको अलाउ कर दिया कि सब एक साथ बोलेंगे. They will start thinking on that and they will start giving you suggestions. So this is what the koinonia is. Whereas in starbursting, you are throwing that idea into a number of groups, and from that groups you are collating the ideas. And in third, turn by turn you are asking or seeking the solution from your friend. Okay, Mr. X, you please tell my idea is good or not. You please how to solve this problem. So brainstorming is such a very important technique to materialize that idea, is that you should discuss with the problem. So now when I'm talking about brainstorming, then we have 6 rules of brainstorming. The first one is do not criticize, because if we'll start criticizing, that will prevent the people from making proposal and expressing possibilities. The second one is keep the process manager free. Sometimes you must have observed that when you were sitting into the friend group, आप में से कोई एक फ्रेंड डोमिनेट करता है, वो ऐसा शो करता है कि बस वही सब कुछ डिलीवर करेगा, वही सब कुछ करना चाहता है. इन दैट केस द पीपल दोज हु आर सिटिंग इन दैट ग्रुप और बहुत बोलते नहीं है, जो क्या हो जाएगा, देयर आइडियाज विल डाई डाउन. सो कीप द प्रोसेस मैनेजर. Third one is time pressure. Now here we are having two school of thought. Somebody is saying that in order to work on an idea, one has to be time free. But another school of thought is that we should be bound by the time. If we are bounded by the time, then probably we will get the better solutions. Right? Then coming to the fourth, avoid resolve. Do not start agreeing on that an idea that looks like a potential winner during the session. It is the similar kind of situation when we are suspending the judgment. So carry on generating the ideas during the allotted time. आपको 1 घंटा मिला है आइडिया सोचने का, सोचते रहो उसमें. ऐसा नहीं कि एक आइडिया आपके दिमाग में आया, उसको पेन डाउन किया एंड फिनिश. नो. इफ योर फैकल्टी मेंबर इज सेइंग कि इस 1 घंटे में आपको बहुत सारे आइडिया सोच के लेके आने हैं कि हम क्या क्या कंपनी खड़ी कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या आपके स्टार्टअप लगा सकते हैं. इन दैट पर्टिकुलर आइडिया, इन दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम, यू शुड कम आउट विद एन नंबर ऑफ आइडियाज. बिकॉज द बल्क आइडिया, initially we will focus on quantity, not on quality. Once you have bunch of the ideas, once you have the various quantity of that idea, then probably it is very easy to sort it out. Then the next one is participants must not be frightened of contributing odd, crazy and wild idea. Sometimes like we are not speaking because we are thinking that our idea is wild, our idea is crazy, our idea is odd. Don't think in that way. Every idea is important. Then focus group. 5 and up to 10 people selected due to their relationship. The topic at the stake to generate business idea through a frank discussion. This is given by the Branginar Island. Focus group could be selected from the customer base, employee, research group, any group with good knowledge on that subject. Why I am saying this? Say you would like to develop a product on, say, on information security. Suppose you would like to develop a product onto a cloud technology. In that case, while discussing your idea, then I'll divide the idea groups into the various categories. The first category we can say is layman group. You can put down your idea, you can just throw your idea in layman group. Sometimes when somebody doesn't know about that idea, then they will also able to find out certain shortcomings, because ultimately most of the time when we are designing our product, sometimes the laymen are using that product. So it is always advisable to discuss our idea with the layman first, and then with a particular knowledge group or a research group. As I have told you that if you are start developing a product onto, say, cloud technology, then you should seek help from your friend, those right now into the cloud technology, or with the faculty member, right? So this will give you the more insights to that particular idea and will able to develop that idea. Then family, friend and experiences bounces the idea off. When you are discussing it with your family, they will also give you certain suggestion. When you are sharing that idea with your friend, they are also giving to your suggestion. So the important key is, whenever you got an idea, first of all, you should pen it down, write it down, then start discussing it with your friend, start discussing it with your family, start discussing it with your faculty member, and ultimately try to develop that idea into a successful startup, right? So I'm not discussing it now. For any students to be effective at idea generation, there needs to be following. things. The first one is that know the industry perfect knowledge of that subject. Identify the source of opportunity in that industry. Be open to all ideas and curious enough to gather enough information about that idea. Temper big ideas and dream with the reality. Sometimes you must have observed कि that your friend is saying कि ये आइडिया तो पहले इम्प्लीमेंट हो चुका है, ये आइडिया पे हम काम नहीं कर सकते. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, एन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स बहुत सारी ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे हम फ्लिपकार्ट की बात करते हैं, Amazon.com was there, but still Flipkart exist करता है. Because when you will try to solve a problem at a different angle, in a different way, in a new terminology, definitely that idea is also going to work, right? So just for your information, for your insight, I just sharing five innovation that will dominate, right? First one is the remote health monitoring. My dear students, मैं ये आइडिया आपके साथ क्यों देना चाहता हूं, वाई आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर दिस आइडिया. आपने देखा होगा बच्चे, कोविड के टाइम बहुत सारा पर्सन्स दे वर लॉक्ड इन देयर होम्स, और हर आदमी ये सोच रहा था कि इफ आई गोट सम हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम, कैन इट बी सोल्व रिमोटली. आज आपको टेम्परेचर हो गया, कोल्ड हो गया, या कोई छोटी मोटी आपकी इलनेस हो गई, then somebody can solve it remotely. So dear student, आप इस डायरेक्शन में सोच सकते हो. You can think of in this direction that you can develop a product in remote health monitoring, right? First of all, I think I am getting a lot of noise. Can you please mute yourself, please?
Mute yourself, Divesh. I have written in the chat
Divesh.
box for disturb Vinay sir. Can you please mute yourself? All of you, please mute yourself. As I told you before, sir began his session.
Okay, thank
Please
you.
listen to this valuable session, everybody, please. Yeah, please, sir. Please continue, sir.
Thank you. So this is the first area where you can think of. आप सभी बच्चे इस दिशा में सोच सकते हो कि ट्राई टू डेवलप ए प्रोडक्ट विच इज यूज टू रिमोट द हेल्थ मॉनिटरिंग. आपने देखा होगा वीरेबल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एक नया प्रोडक्ट है जिसमें आप एक ऐसा टी शर्ट डिजाइन कर सकते हो. वो टी शर्ट आपका क्या करे, ब्लड प्रेशर मॉनिटर करे, हार्ट रेट मॉनिटर करे, और उस टी शर्ट को पहनने वाले की इंफॉर्मेशन आप क्लाउड पे शेयर करो, और क्लाउड से आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और मशीन लर्निंग एल्गोरिदम्स लगा के आप हार्ट अटैक प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो, ब्रेन स्ट्रोक प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो, हीट स्ट्रोक प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो. बहुत सारी ऐसी डिजीज है जिसको अगर हम समय से प्रेडिक्ट कर लेंगे तो वी विल बी एबल टू सेव द लाइफ. वन एस्पेक्ट. सेकेंड एस्पेक्ट, you can also improve the healthy system. Sometimes like we do have habits which are, again I am getting disturbance.
So I think we can ask Divesh to meeting.
Hello, Sindhu, can you remove Divesh please?
Divesh, why are you unmuting yourself again and again? Please do not unmute. There is a lot of disturbance at your end.
Dr. Shubha, I don't think that the student is of our, because I don't have any such student called Divesh. Sindhu, you just remove that student, Divesh.
I'll remove.
Yeah, remove Divesh.
Can you check if anybody else is there, Dr. Anurag, other than
No, ma'am. No, only Divesh is there. Other students
Okay.
are of Swarnim.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, please remove.
Thank you. Now coming to the wearable augmented reality. Dear students, there are so many equipments nowadays are available with respect to the augmented reality. Now why I am discussing this second aspect with you, आप कुछ ऐसा प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल समटाइम्स आपने देखा होगा कि एक्सरे मशीन इज देयर, MRI is there, CT scan is there. Can you design certain augmented reality product which can give us 3D X-ray, which can give us 3D image of CT scan, which can be interactable, right? वन एस्पेक्ट. सेकेंड एस्पेक्ट, आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारी हैजर्डस इंडस्ट्री है. फॉर दैट हैजर्ड इंडस्ट्री कैन यू डिजाइन सम आर्ग्यूमेंटेड रियलिटी काइंड ऑफ मशीन. अभी आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारा जैसे लाइक सिमुलेशन टेक्निक्स हैं. आपने देखा होगा प्लेन्स को एयरप्लेन ट्रेन करने के लिए हम बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स यूज करते हैं सिमुलेशन. इन द सिमिलर वे कैन यू डिजाइन सम वेरिएबल augmented reality product which can be helpful for all. Third aspect which I would like to give is the IoT kitchen appliances. I'm sure that बहुत सारे solutions available है, but still
बस होने वाला है.
आप बहुत सारी IoT ऐसे equipments हैं जो डिजाइन कर सकते हो which can be helpful in kitchen appliances. Like आपका गैस बर्नर खुला रह गया, ऑटोमेटिकली इट कैन डिटेक्ट द स्मेल ऑफ द गैस, ऑटोमेटिकली वो गैस कट ऑफ हो जाए. ऑटोमेटिकली आपका देयर आर सो मेनी सॉल्यूशंस which are right now available for this IoT kitchen appliances. And I'm just, this is Impossible Burger 2.0 stole the show, leading tech publisher digital trend, name it the top tech of Seas 2019. There are so many other things are coming up into this IoT kitchen appliances. Next is personal translator, right? आपका, although there are so many things are available in existing system as well, but still I'm not able to see any software right now. If somebody is talking to me, automatically it get translated and can tell me in my language. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपको मान लिया एक पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज नहीं आती, से आपको कन्नड़ लैंग्वेज नहीं आती. इफ समबडी स्पीकिंग इन कन्नड़, it can directly automatically get translated for me into English. So in this direction you can also work on. Then again, one of the most important area and widely used area, that is autonomous farming. My dear student, you know that India is known to be an agriculture country, right? For that agriculture, now look at one of the statistics I would like to share with you is China is the second largest importer of the agriculture, but in terms of land and fertility, its position is somewhere around 17 or 18. Whereas in India, in terms of land and fertility, I think it comes out to be number one. But in terms of export, Rohit got an idea, I think, huh?
Who is going?
Sindhu, just remove this, Rohit.
Is he our student, Dr. Anurag?
No.
Sindhu, can you remove Rohit, please?
Should I remove?
Yes, please.
Why are we joining and creating mischief and honor?
Actually, the information has been shared with everyone. No?
Not
On
an
the
issue,
website.
doctor. No, not an issue. Sindhu, just remove Mr. Rohit. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
These are certain product which I would like to show you. This is my eye, which can be a very good product for blind people. This is the protection against weather, a small vehicle. Look at the gaming chair designed by student with 3 screen and all the controls onto the lap. Look at this bicycle. It is basically a bicycle powered washing machine which is helping the people in developing countries to wash their clothes. Now, another very important product which I would like to discuss with you is, I'm sure you must have known this Barbie. It's a very famous doll. So now this Barbie, they have designed a Barbie named as Hello Barbie. So what this Barbie is doing? This Barbie is interacting with the persons. So just look at this. Hello Barbie respond realistically to the child by using natural language processing. This is a subject of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced analytics to pass the what child say and respond accordingly. If some child is asking that the Barbie doll is asking, okay, what is your interest? If some student is saying, I am having interest in physics, then the doll is responding in that way. That doll is having 8,000 lines of dialogue available to her as possible responses. 8,000 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर आपका बारबी डॉल कर सकता है. So
नहीं नहीं मेरा
the technical detail of this is, on Barbie there is a listen button to the child has to press to start recording what she say in order to get the response. When pressed, the child's speech is recorded and sent to Toy Talk. Now what is this Toy Talk? This Toy Talk is a cloud based server that is used for this Hello Barbie toy. For analysis, the conversion become the part of use case of data that Metal and Toy Talk say will be used to help improve the technology in the future. And above all, sometimes it is better than Siri and Cortana. I'm sure you know the Siri and Cortana who use automated voices. So early line Barbie speak is recorded an actor, giving her more lifelike sound. So these are certain application, they came out because somebody is thinking onto it. So my dear student, this is the whole idea. That's why I am going to discuss with you that the idea, how the idea is important. Now my request to all of you is, please give coming week for you. आपको आने वाला एक वीक केवल अपने आइडियाज को पेन डाउन करने के लिए देना है. ट्राई टू पेन डाउन दोज आइडिया. बहुत सारे आइडियाज को आपने अपनी नोटबुक के अंदर नोट करना है. देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप आपको क्या करना है, आप सभी एक गूगल मीट सेशन ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ अनुराग सर. देयर यू विल प्रेजेंट योर आइडिया इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. और फ्रेंड्स के लिए क्या टास्क होगा, वो उसके अंदर कमियां निकालेंगे. सिंपली कमियां निकालनी है आपको. और जब एंड ऑफ द डे, जब आपको लगेगा किसी एक पर्टिकुलर आइडिया में वी आर हैविंग वेरी लेस लिमिटेशंस, वी आर हैविंग वेरी लेस शॉर्टकमिंग्स, देन फिर आपको नेक्स्ट टास्क क्या करना है, उसकी टेक्निकल डिटेल्स पे काम करना है कि आपको टेक्निकलिटी क्या क्या चाहिए, क्या क्या सब्जेक्ट आपको लर्न करना है, क्या क्या उसको लिए आपको हेल्प चाहिए, किस फैकल्टी से आपको हेल्प मिल सकता है. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, राइट. सो दीज आर द 3 स्टेप इनिशियली यू आर गोइंग टू फॉलो दैट, राइट. आई एम श्योर आप सबके पास हम सबसे अच्छे आइडियाज हैं. आप सबका माइंड हमसे कहीं ज्यादा शार्प है एंड you are able to think in a very beautiful and innovative way. I am sharing the stat with you. Nowadays अगर आप अपना टेक्निकल स्टैटिस्टिक्स उठा के देखेंगे, इन इंडिया, चाइना एंड यूएस, most of the startups are coming from the age group of 18 to 25, right? And I'm sure you all are in this particular age group only. So definitely you have all brilliant ideas, but the only thing is that you will try to pen down them, try to discuss them and try to act on them. So with this word, thank you my dear students. Now the session is open for query and answers. Anybody is having question, please you can ask.
Dr. Vinay, I just want to share one more thing with you in this particular session.
Yes, please.
We had a student from the BBA FS and BA IB also,
Mm-hmm.
because it is open to everyone.